Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare VS Code commit and push. First, open your project in VS Code. Navigate to the source control view, typically found on the left sidebar, represented by the Git icon. Here, you will see all your modified files. This view is your central hub for managing all Git operations directly within the editor, making your workflow seamless and efficient. We will cover staging, committing, and pushing in detail. To commit changes, first ensure your desired files are staged. You can stage individual files by clicking the plus icon next to them, or stage all changes with one click. Next, type a clear and descriptive commit message in the input box above the staged changes. A good message explains what was changed and why. Finally, click the checkmark icon to complete your local commit, saving your progress. After committing your changes locally, the next step is to push them to your remote repository. This synchronizes your local work with the shared version, making your updates available to collaborators. Look for the push button or the cloud icon in the source control view. Before pushing, it's often wise to pull any new changes from the remote to avoid conflicts. This ensures your local branch is up to date before sending your work. For an optimal workflow, commit frequently with small, focused changes. This makes your history cleaner and easier to revert if needed. Always write descriptive commit messages. Aim for messages that are 50 characters or less for the subject line, followed by a blank line and a more detailed body. Remember to pull before pushing to integrate team changes smoothly. Utilizing branches for new features or bug fixes is also a best practice for collaborative development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.